Welcome to SavageTech Australia. Thanks for joining us again today. Rico's behind the camera filming. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to SavageTech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. Welcome to SavageTech Australia. Thanks for joining us today.
This channel has been a big part of our journey. The builds, the testing, the wins, and the lessons along the way. Every video here was driven by real passion, long days in the workshop, and a community that backed us from the start. What we do hasn't changed. Where it lives has. Thank you for being part of SavageTech Australia.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I know you guys have got the bad news. We're closing down. We're not closing down SavageTech Australia, the business, or Savage Offroad, the business. We're closing down this channel and we're going to switch everyone over. We're hoping to get everyone that's subscribed currently to this channel over to our new channel. The reason we've had to do this is back in 2021, when we launched the business, we had someone come on board and help us monetize the channel. They've actually done some illegal stuff on there and we didn't know. So ever since we've pretty much had it monetized since 2021, we've never been able to earn $1, which is fine, that's all right. The whole point of this channel was more about our branding, our business, and what we're doing with the brand GWM and any new Chinese cars that were coming to Australia. Example, BYD, Denza, Tank, all of these new fun and creative brands that are coming up with really cool four-wheel drives. We're on the journey with them all. So, and this channel's here to, obviously, when we get our cars, we take them out, we do crazy off-roading with them, and we also develop parts. So, you know, we're a little bit different to other companies where they're a lot broader than us. So a lot of companies now have taken on the brands that are coming from China. So they're taking on brands like GWM and Tank and LDV and MG and all of these brands because they've seen the potential that there's a market there. But back in 2021, when we first launched the company in May 2021, they didn't want a bar of it. So anyway, it's good that we've got competition now and it's really healthy. So it's really good for all of our businesses to be able to obviously market products for the vehicles, and this channel is here to showcase what we can do for the vehicles and also what the vehicles are capable of. So it's an educational channel, it's a fun channel. We're also going to have a lifestyle channel which is going to be Savage Life Australia, and that channel is going to be specifically for when I do my vlogging. We've sort of had everything blended onto this channel and doesn't really, some people aren't interested in those videos. So if you're interested in what we're doing in, say, China, we might be going to other countries next year, which we definitely will be. We'll be doing content in other countries with these vehicles. So if you're more interested in, say, the countries that we visit, maybe like and subscribe those channels. But we're going to be starting off straight off the bat with Savage Offroad Australia. Now that channel is designed to pretty much do what we're doing on this channel at the moment, except getting rid of all the lifestyle videos, so all the vlogging that we do overseas. Hopefully you guys get on my channel. Please get on there and like and subscribe. It's been an awesome time, and I mean, we've got, what, 22,900 subscribers now on our channel, which is amazing. The Denza B5 video that I just released 15 hours ago has got 13,000 views. So you guys are killing it with my views. Thank you so, so much, and I really appreciate it. But please get over to our new channel. It's going to be linked on this video, so please go and follow my new channel, which is Savage Offroad Australia. It's been a massive decision whether do we close this channel and switch over to a new one, and we've had to just call it quits because unfortunately AdSense sucks dealing with them. They're like, well, you've done this, and I said, well, I actually employed someone to set up my monetization and they've done something bad in the background. I had no idea what they were doing, and obviously because I was so focused on my core business. So anyway, long story short, who cares about that? We're going to create a new channel and it's going to be exciting. So we're going to start that channel off. We're going to launch it very shortly and you're going to be able to subscribe to it. So new content, cool stuff, cool videos next year. Rico's coming on board, so hopefully we can get out and do some more content creation with off-roading and also with some of the new vehicles we've got. So the B5, the B8 we just purchased, so we're going to be doing some content creation with that. We're still going to have our Tank 300, so we're going to go do some content creation with that. And we might even still have a Tank 500 in the convoy as well. So we might be able to get all those cars out and do little comparisons to each other, which is going to be really cool. So stay tuned. I'm excited to get this new Denza range. Obviously, when GWM and they bring out some new cool models, we might potentially be getting those as well. Oh, we've still got the Hi 4T Alpha as well, so don't forget about that. So we're going to be doing some content with the Hi 4 Alpha T and the BYD Sharks. We've still got all these cars that we're going to do some cool content. Next year, I definitely want to do some trips up to the Cape. Thanks for joining us, and we'll have some snippets in this channel, overlays of what we've done throughout the journey with Savage over the years. It's been a sad journey that we need to close this channel down, but it's an exciting one because we're going to separate the channel and we're going to have better content, and it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to follow the content that you want to follow. So peace out, have a good one, Merry Christmas, and woo!